Good morning, students. Today we are starting with combinations. It is selection of R items out of n available items. It is given by CNR, NCR, factorial n upon factorial R, n minus R factorial. C52 is factorial 5 upon factorial 2, 5 minus 2 factorial, that is equal to factorial 5 upon factorial 3 factorial 2. What is this factorial 5? Factorial 5 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5. What is factorial 3? Factorial 3 is 1 into 2 into 3, that is 6. What is factorial 2? Factorial 2 is 1 into 2, 2. So if we solve it, 120 divided by 6 to the 12, it is 10. So the value of C52 is 10. Now if C and P is equal to C and Q, then we have either P equal to Q or sum of P plus Q equal to N. Then how we use it? If N9 is equal to Cn8, then P is 9, Q is 8. You can see P is not equal to Q, so N is equal to P plus Q. 9 plus 8, that is 17. N is equal to 17. What is Cn0? This is always 1. C50 is 1. C60 is 1. C70 is 1. Any number Cn0 is 1. You can see factorial n upon factorial 0, n minus 0 factorial. We know that factorial 0 is 1, so factorial n and n cancel out, we get answer 1. CNN is also 1, C77, C66, C44, C33, all are going to give answer 1. What is CNN? Factorial n upon factorial n, n minus n, 0 factorial, factorial n and factorial n gets cancelled out. We get answer 1. What is CNR? CNR plus CNR plus 1, that is equal to Cn plus 1 R plus 1. For example, C52. What is N5? What is R2? So plus C53, that is N5, R plus 1 is 3, is equal to 6. What is 6? N plus 1. What is 3? R plus 1. So C52 and C53 we need not calculate, it will straight away become equal to C63. Similarly, C73 and C74 we need not calculate, it will become automatically equal to 8C84. Now fifth is CNR is equal to Cn comma n minus R. C85 is equal to C8 comma 8 minus 5 C83. So if we know C85, we can find out C83 is equal to C85. We need not calculate it again. If we know the value of C107, we know that C107 is C10 comma 10 minus 7 C103. So if we know the value of C107, C103 is same as C107. Now we are starting with exercise 7.4. If NC8 is equal to NC2, then find the value of NC2. C and P is equal to C and Q, then N is equal to P plus Q by property. Now C and 8 is equal to C and 2, then N is equal to 8 plus 2 is equal to 10. Since P and Q, that is 8 and 2, are not equal, so we are left with N is equal to 10. So let us put N is equal to 10 and find out C and 2 is NC2 or C and 2 is same. NC2 is equal to 10C2 factorial 10 upon factorial 2, 10 minus 2 factorial. Factorial 10 can be written as 10 into 9 into factorial 8, and factorial 2 is 1 into 2, 2. Factorial 10 minus 2 is factorial 8. It gets cancelled out. We get 10 nines are 90 upon 2, 45. How many chords can be drawn through all the points on a circle? A chord uh, through 21 points on a circle. A chord is drawn joining 2 out of 21 points. So, how many chords can be drawn? C21 2. That is factorial 21 upon factorial 2. 21 minus 2 factorial. This can be written as 21 into 20 into 19 factorial upon 2 into 19 factorial. 19 factorial get cancelled out. We are left with only 21 into 2, 20, that is 420 upon 2, 210. 210 chords can be made. In how many ways can we select 3 boys and 3 girls out of 5 boys and 4 girls? Selection of 3 boys out of 5 is C53. Factorial 5 upon factorial 3, 5 minus 3 is 2 factorial. Factorial 5 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, that is 120. Factorial 3 is 1 into 2 into 3, 6. Factorial 2 is 1 into 2, 2. So 120 upon 6 what to the 12 is 10 ways. Selection of 3 girls out of 4 is C43. C43 is equal to factorial 4 upon factorial 3, 4 minus 3 factorial. Factorial 4 can be written as 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial gets cancelled out. We are left with 4 ways. Total possible selections is C53 into C43 is 10 into 4, that is 40 ways. In how many ways can we select 5 cards out of 52 cards having exactly one ace? There are 4 aces in 52 cards. Selection of one ace out of 4 aces is C41. Selection of 4 cards out of the remaining. Now 4 aces are removed from 52 cards. We are left with 48 non-ace cards. So selection of 4 remaining cards out of 48 cards is C48 4. C41 is written as factorial 4 upon factorial 1, 4 minus 1 factorial. C48 4 is written as 48 factorial upon 4 factorial, 48 minus 4 factorial. We write factorial 4 as 4 into 3 factorial upon 3 factorial. 3 factorial gets cancelled out. C48 4 can be written as 48, 47, 46, 45, 44 factorial upon 4 factorial into 44 factorial. 44 factorial is cancelled out. We know factorial 4 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4, 24. Let us divide 24 and 24 and 48. We get 4 into 2 into 47 into 48 into 40, 45, 778320 is the total possible arrangements of 5, total possible selection of 5 cards having exactly one ace. In how many ways a cricket 11 can be selected having 4 bowlers out of 17 players, out of which 5 are bowlers? Selection of 4 bowlers out of 5 is C54. Then in 17 players, 5 are bowlers, so 17 minus 5, 12 are batsmen. Now we have to select out of 11, 11 minus 4, 7 batsmen out of 12. That is C12, 7. Total selections possible is C54 into C12, 7. C54 is factorial 5 upon factorial 4, 5 minus 4 factorial. C12 7 is factorial 12 upon factorial 7, 12 minus 7 factorial. Now 5 factorial can be written as 5 into 4 factorial. 4 factorial gets cancelled out. 12 factorial can be written as 12, 11, 10, 9, 8, 7 factorial is cancelled out. Factorial 5 is 1 into 2 into 3 into 4 into 5, 120. We know 12 tens are 120, 12 and 10 cancelled out with 120. We are left with 5, 11, 9, 8, that is 3960 ways, 3960 ways. In how many ways 5 subjects can be selected out of 9? If two subjects are compulsory, since two subjects are compulsory, a student has to select 5 minus 2, 3 subjects out of 9 minus 2, 7 subjects. Total selections are C73, that is factorial 7 upon factorial 3, 7 minus 3, 4 factorial. We write 7 factorial as 7, 6, 5, 4 factorial. 4 factorial is cancelled out with 4 factorial, and factorial 3 is 1 into 2 into 3 is 6. 6 and 6 is again cancelled out. We are left with 7 5s are 35 ways. Question number 7 is determine n if C2 and 3 ratio C and 3 is equal to 12 ratio 1. Now C2 and 3 can be written as factorial 2n upon factorial 3, 2n minus 3 factorial. Cn 3 can be written as factorial n upon factorial 3n minus 3 factorial. We expand C2n factorial as 2n, 2n minus 1, 2n minus 2, 2n minus 3 factorial, and 2n minus 3 factorial and 2n minus 3 factorial will cancel out. Then factorial n is expanded as n, n minus 1, n minus 2, n minus 3 factorial divided by n minus 3 factorial. Then n minus 3 factorial is cancelled out. We are left with this 3 factorial is also cancelled out. 2n, 2n minus 1, 2 is taken common from 2n minus 2. We are left with 2 bracket n minus 1. So now we are getting n minus 1 cancelled out, n cancelled out. So we are left with 4 2n minus 1 upon n minus 2. Now 4 and 3 is again cancelled out. 4 3s are 12. This is 3. Then 2n minus 1 upon n minus 2 is 3 upon 1. So 2n minus 1 is equal to 3n minus 2. 2n minus 1 is 3n minus 6. 6 minus 1 is 3n minus 2n. N is equal to 5. Students, I have completed combinations. Please do these questions in your copy. Thank you very much.